Ever wonder why your portfolio looks completely different today than it did when you first set your slices? Over time, your winners grow, your laggards shrink, and suddenly that 10% speculative play has ballooned into 25% of your total wealth, exposing you to way more risk than you originally signed up for. Rebalancing is how you bring those drifting percentages back in line with your actual strategy. In M1, there are 3 specific ways I handle this, ranging from the most tax-efficient to the most aggressive. 1. Dynamic rebalancing, the passive method. This is the default way M1 works, and it's my personal favorite because it requires zero effort and generates no tax bills. Whenever you deposit new cash into your account, M1 doesn't buy every slice equally. Instead, it automatically directs that money toward your underweight slices, the ones that are currently below your target percentage. By buying low and letting your winners run, you slowly gravity feed your portfolio back to its target allocation. This is the best way to rebalance if you are still in the accumulation phase and contributing regularly. 2. Manual rebalancing, the nuclear option. If your portfolio has drifted so far that new deposits can't fix it, you might look at the rebalance button at the account level. When you click this, M1 initiates a series of sells and buys simultaneously. It sells off the overweight winners and uses that cash to buy the underweight losers. I use this sparingly. Why? Because every time you sell a winner in a taxable brokerage account, you trigger a capital gains tax event. I generally only use the manual rebalance button inside a Roth IRA where taxes aren't an issue, or if a specific sector has become dangerously bloated. 3. Tactical selling. Sometimes you don't want to reset the whole pie. If one specific slice is out of control, you can go into that individual security and place a manual sell order. M1 will then take that cash and, provided you have auto invest turned on, it will automatically redistribute that liquidity into your most underweight slices during the next trade window. My personal strategy. I prefer a buy-only rebalance. I let my winners stay as they are and simply use my weekly deposits to shore up the underperforming parts of the pie. This keeps my cost basis low and my tax bill at zero. You should only hit that big rebalance button if your risk tolerance is being compromised by a single stock that has grown too large for you to sleep comfortably at night. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.